Hello, dear students. We are learning advertisement in these sessions. In the previous sessions, we learned about advertisement, its format, its content, and what are the different types of advertisement. So we also went through some examples of advertisement, and we come to know how an ideal advertisement is drafted to publish in a newspaper, because the advertisements are meant for publication. They are published in the newspapers to get people know about the thing you want to share. जो हम शेयर करना चाहते हैं उसको हम न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू करते हैं. So we had an example of situation vacant. So we will go through today situation wanted. There are some other sort of classified. On the first day we discussed, you remember, two types of advertisement. One is classified ads, and second one is commercial advertisement. So classified advertisements are further divided into 5 or 6 types. There are more, but we will focus on these types of advertisement. If you learn this type of advertisement classified, you can make any other type of advertisement. Means if you have learned these 5 or 6 types of advertisement classified, it will help you to develop more classified to be published in the newspaper. I also talked about the career. Nowadays, the advertisement industry is one of the biggest industry in the market, and it demands creativity. If you are creative, if you have innovative ideas, you can explore your career in the marketing of in the market of advertisement. So online advertisement and digital advertisement. There are so many other type of advertisement we have discussed. So today, coming to the point, we will discuss situation wanted. So as you know, we have a particular format of a classified, generally divided in 3 sections. Here we write the title. Here we write the body, and here we write the contact. So today we are going to make an advertisement or classified on situation wanted. So first I would like to write situation wanted. Is it visible to you? Situation wanted. This is my title. It is generally written in the middle, and then here I will write the body. Now the question is, who will write this ad situation wanted? So the person who possesses some qualifications. A person who possesses some qualification or skill and ready to serve will publish situation wanted. Situation means vacancy. If I am an unemployed person, I am skilled, I am qualified, and I want to join a job, then I will publish in this advertisement. In situation, I want some situation vacant. If there is, contact me. This is the purpose of this advertisement, situation wanted. So after writing situation wanted, I write graduate from DU. You can write it like this. Very well skilled in information technology and having good experience of management. Looking for a suitable position in a reputed, you can say, institution or company or institution. Here you can also write ready to appear for interview on any day. So please contact. Please contact. And here you will write the contact and your email ID as well. Not only the contact but your email ID. आप contact भी लिखेंगे and email ID भी लिखेंगे. Here in the, you need not to make the box. You just write your email or your contact number in a bold, you can say the letter or digits. So then you will put the advertisement in a box. So this is how you will write situation wanted. After doing this situation wanted, we go ahead with another sort of advertisement, and that is sale and purchase. Sale and purchase. So what is sale and purchase? Dear students, you know we have certain things at home that we want to sell. कुछ चीज पुरानी होगी, पुरानी working condition में है, I want to sell it. So I will have to publish an advertisement for a newspaper in the column for sale. You can say sale and purchase, but if I am selling, then I'll write for sale. If I'm drafting an advertisement for purchase, then I will write for purchase. So we make immediately, quickly we make a classified for sale. So suppose you are selling your laptop or you are selling your most common item, your old books. Suppose आप क्लास 12th में हैं और आप 11th की बुक्स को सेल करना चाहते हैं. Though books should be given free of cost to the others, it is a big, you can say a good work in the interest of society. But अगर कोई बेचना चाहता है तो बुक्स को बेच सकता है. या आप बना सकते हैं एक एडवर्टीजमेंट टू सेल योर टेलीविजन, योर मोबाइल फोन. सो आई ड्राफ्ट टू सेल मोबाइल फोन. सो आई राइट almost brand new branded mobile, brand new branded mobile with, अब क्या है, इसके मैं फीचर्स लिख रहा हूं. मैंने हेडिंग कर लिया. अब मैं इसके इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया ब्रांड न्यू ब्रांडेड मोबाइल. नए ब्रांड का, ब्रांड किसी अच्छे ब्रांड का, मींस मोबाइल, ब्रांड न्यू मोबाइल ऑफ ए रेप्यूटेड ब्रांड. यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस. ब्रांड का मतलब कंपनी से है. मोबाइल विद what we write 16 GB memory, 2 GB RAM, 12 megapixel camera, and 4000 mAh battery is for sale. अब आपने स्पेसिफिकेशन भी दे दिया. Next, what will you write? You will write the price. If you are selling something, you must declare the price. So you will write the price. Suppose you want to sell it for 5,000. 5,000 fix. Or you can also write negotiable. This term will come again and again. Negotiable means I'm not sure 5,000. If you are ready, if I consider you a worthy customer, then I can also sell it for 4,500, somewhere between this. So you can write fixed or negotiable. You cannot write the both. So I have mentioned this in the bracket. So negotiable. So after writing this, the genuine buyer may contact genuine buyer may contact at, you can mention your mobile number. So then again, I will put it in a box, and this will be the end of my for sale. So what I have done, heading, introduction, specification, and here price. If it is a matter of sale and purchase, then you will mention the price, sale, and then you will give your contact. So we have mentioned all the important points in a format of a classified. So this is for sale. Now quickly we also go through one more type of advertisement. So this is how we make and classified on sale, for sale. So now we move to another advertisement, that is for purchase. For, again we write all the letters in capital, for purchase. Now what is purchase? Purchase means to buy something. I require some item, some commodity, some of the things for myself, for my office, for my home, and for whatsoever purpose. I would like to invite the attention of people towards my requirement, so that if there is anybody supplying these items, may contact me. If I need some second-hand item for my home, so again I write for purchase. Purchase means buy, purchasing. So मुझे purchase करना है, और क्या purchase करना है? Just think of an example. We'll make our classified on for purchase for that particular item. Suppose I want to buy a second hand, can say the motorcycle, so, or a scooty. So I will write an advertisement for the column for purchase. अब कैसे लिखूंगा? First I write the title for purchase, then I write required. We for purchase or for wanted, we start with require. Required a second hand scooty, preferably of, you can write the name of company. Suppose the name of company is, I write the name Sona brand. This is no brand of scooty. We cannot mention the particular company's name here. So I'm writing Sona brand. Sonar brand. So of Sonar brand, preferably of Sonar brand means the company of the factory, the company of this scooty must be, or preferably का मतलब है कि preference दी जाएगी. I will prefer to buy this brand scooty not more than 5 years old. All papers all paperwork will be accomplished by seller. So interested one, you can also add that here you can also add the scooty should be in a good condition, not more than 10,000 run on the meter. The meter shouldn't show more than 10,000, or the scooty should have been driven less than 10,000 kilometers. You can also write the mileage if you want. So there are so many things if you want to add. So these are the important points, that the brand, the paperwork is very important when we buy a vehicle. So the paperwork should be clear and transferred by the seller himself. And now I will write a price range. Price between, I cannot give a single quote. I write 15,000 to 20,000. So this is my price range. Interested one, this is very common phrase. Interested one may contact at, you can write your phone number. So this is how we make an advertisement for purchase. Only you will find that all the classified are more or less same. Only the expression is different, the content is different. Here we are specifying our need, then the specification of the need, ये तो कर रहे हैं, उस need की specification लिख रहे हैं, and at the end we are giving our contact so that the person may contact you. So this is my classified for purchase. So you would have seen the similarity between for sale and for purchase. There is one more special point, that is the price range between. If you sell something, you will give the price, you will give a estimated price, and when you buy something, you will tell your range of purchase. आपकी range purchase की क्या होगी, और उसके अलावा आप बाकी चीजें बाकी एडवर्टीजमेंट में भी वही लिखते हैं. So this is for purchase. After the purchase, we move to our board, and there we will find out how many types of purchase are there. There are different sort of examples, different sort of, you will find there the classifieds, and you will also compare the language of different type of classified. Means I have given one example here, one for sale, one for purchase, and one for situation wanted. So when we move to that whiteboard, there we will start understanding the different way of starting the classified. So we move to the board, and there we find out what is the difference between the purchase I have done here and the content I have shown you there. There you will find some newspaper articles. I have taken the things from newspaper and you will find it out, the difference of language. So one thing more important to understand, that we write it not in sentence but phrases. We give the specification, everything in phrases. So we move to our board and there we find out more about our advertisement or classified. Now you see on the board, on your screen, there are different type of classified. We have already explained this to you. Today we did this situation wanted. So here he is looking for a job. We have also done a similar type of advertisement classified, but here this is from a paper, looking for a job in one of the private schools, did post-graduation from IGU and have 5 years of experience. He is also giving the specification, his need on the first line, then his specification, he is giving 5-year experience, communication skill, pleasing personality, salary negotiable. There you can also write the salary. If you want have some baseline for your salary, you can mention it here, otherwise negotiable, available for interview on any working day. Now interested schools, because he is particular to work in a school, so he's inviting the attraction of the schools towards his contact by writing his name and contact detail. So if we move forward, we find for sale. Another one was sale and purchase. So first example for sale, here again title, body and contact. So for sale, Maruti Suzuki Zen, this is car. We have sold something else, perhaps the mobile or something else. So Maruti Suzuki Zen is available for sale. 900cc is the engine, new tires, scratchless body, insured with all required documents, inbuilt music system, 15,000 kilometers run, single hand, mint condition, means fine condition, like new condition, for 1 lakh only. Interested buyers may contact Mr. Ravi, this, or meet personally after 5 o'clock in the evening. So this is how you can draft your classified for sale. Here he is giving the introduction, what he is selling, then the specification and the contact as the end. So for the purchase, we will see here. So purchase we have done. So with this, we come to an end of our. So this is how we should write different type of, you can say, the classified. So situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, and here for sale. So this is how we have draft. We have had a draft on the board, and now we have seen the different type of classified on the board. So the only 1, 2, or 3 things you need to keep in your mind is to give the specification, the introduction, and the contact. This specification is more important. So before start writing your classified, you need to be very clear about the specification. You can make a rough draft of your specification, then you can write the draft in phrases. Here you will see there is not a particular sentence. The things are given in the phrases. So now we end this topic, and we will discuss more classifieds on the next session, that is lost and found and educational advertisement. So we end here, and you will make some classified for a newspaper on situation vacant, situation wanted, sale and purchase, so that you can show them to your teachers when school reopens.